Talk with Piggy, with your host, Piggy. So, Piggy, what do you do when you're bored?
When I am bored, I make supper because I don't want angry birds to destroy us.
Okay, and what do you eat?
I eat, I eat all different sorts of stuff, like meatloaf, mac and cheese, but definitely not a ham.
Because that would be cannibal. So, what is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Halloween.
Aww. And your least favorite holiday?
My least favorite holiday would be Thanksgiving.
Okay. Well, Piggy, that was really good talking to you. So anyway,
Angry bird! I know I shouldn't have been tilted right now.
No. I'm your friend. Dee. Piggy. So, for more information, please subscribe to Talk with Piggy Show. And we're going to have much more videos of Talk with Piggy. So, bye.